Namaste friends, this is Nisha Thakur here and here other type of equation series and in this video I am telling you higher power of equation. So here fourth degree equation, here highest power is 4 and here says find all solution of the equation this. So here in this equation x to the power highest power is 4. It means your maximum solutions can be 4 solutions. And here if we put x is square equal capital A, so x to the power 4 will be a square. So can we put this here and let's see, x to the power 4 is a square and minus 8 x square a plus 8 equal to 0. So we get quadratic equation and we can solve easily quadratic equation. So here we cannot solve by factoring method because we don't get two values when multiply when product is 8 and sum is minus 8. So here not possible to solve this equation by factoring method. Okay, so here we can apply quadratic formula. Okay, we can write first formula minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, so what is here a value? A value is 1, is small a value I am saying. B value minus 8 and c value is 8. Okay, now we can put values and find out capital A. Okay, minus. What is B value? Minus 8 plus minus B square. It means minus 8 square. Minus 4. A value 1 and C value 8. 2. A value 1. Okay. Minus multiply with minus 8, it become positive. Minus 8 square 64 and 4 times 1 times 8 is 32. So minus 32 and 2 times 1 is 2. Now 8 plus minus 64 minus 32, 32 and divided by 2. Okay, 8 plus minus this is 16 times 2. 16 is perfect square, so square root 16 times 2, right? So this is 4 square root 2. So we can write 4 square root 2 upon 2. Okay, can we take common from here 2? So this will be cancelled by this 2 and we get 4 plus minus 2 square root 2. So this is a value. Okay, so here we got two values. This one is positive and one is negative. 4 plus 2 square root 2 and other one is 4 minus 2 square root 2. But this is a value, but our original equation was x, so a it means x square. So here we can put x square equal 4 plus minus 2 square root 2. Now taking both side square root, so here both side taking square root, and whenever we take square root, so right hand side value always in plus minus. Okay, so this is x equal plus minus 4 plus minus 2 square root 2. So our x values are 4. Okay, so the four we have 4 solutions of this given equation. Okay, so what is first value? 4 plus 2 square root 2. Second one, 4 minus 2 square root 2. Third one, minus 4 plus 2 square root 2. And last fourth one is minus 4 minus 2 square root 2. And when we use calculator, so we obtain approximations. So it is 2.61, this is 1.08, and this is negative 2.61, and this is negative 1, okay, this is 6, and minus 1.08. This is, so we got 4 values. Okay, 2.61, 1.08, minus 2.61, and minus 1.08. So these are approximate answers after decimal 2 digit. So we got 4 solutions of this original question, this equation. Okay, if you have any doubt, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye. Have a nice time.